Hi ladies! Okay, so today I'm going to be doing my what's in my baby's hospital bag. This is something that I've been excited about packing for so long, and obviously if you guys know me, you will know that I am the most impatient person in the world and I have to get everything ready like way in advance. And then what I tend to do actually is kind of pack and then repack and then unpack and think actually no, I need this and that. So in the next sort of like 15 weeks I'm going to kind of be like packing and unpacking things anyway. But I just thought I'd show you guys today what I've got. So let's get started with that. Now this bag was from Boots. I actually love it. I fell in love with it. It's from a company called Baba Bing. Get a little close up there at the front. It's actually a super cute bag. It's got lots of different pockets, but it's not actually that roomy. It is actually quite tiny. It comes with a few clips as well that you can put on your buggy, but I just like to use this and just sling it over the top. Let's get into it and see what we've packed. Now, because I have packed this quite early in advance, I've left a few of the silica gel packets in that I got from my car seat because I don't want everything in here to get damp. And it's not like we live in a damp house, but obviously it's going on baby's skin, so I don't want it to be like really damp. First and foremost, we have water wipes. I had Harry. I actually used these to begin with and then went on to like a different brand afterwards that are a bit more moisturising. But with Charlie, we had to stay on these for quite a while because within a few days we realised that he had eczema. So any kind of like scented anything would just make his skin flare up. Got a whole packet of nappies here, but coming up to my due date I will decant them and put a few in. I'm not going to take 22, I don't think I need 22, but I don't want to open them yet because along with the silica gel, these have a gel in them which absorbs moisture, and you have moisture in the air, you know, when you take a shower and you open your bathroom door, all the moisture comes flooding out, doesn't it? So with nappies, you're meant to keep them in the packet really until you actually need them, because you will notice as well where they've got this like little yellow stripe, if you can see any like little blue speckles, it means that it's absorbing moisture in the air and it won't be absorbing the moisture from your baby's wee. These are the Pampers Premium Protect in the size number 1. Now going on from wet wipes and nappies, I have a few muslin cloths. I actually bought these on Amazon, I believe. They're really soft and of course they're pink, guys, because we are having a girl. My other two boys, I had blue ones, but this time I got to buy some pink ones, which are super cute, and they're actually really big. So they fold out and then you can put them here when you burp your baby, or you can use them just to cover yourself if you're breastfeeding, things like that. And then onto her clothes. Oh my god, I'm so excited. So this one is from Next, and when I saw it I thought I'm gonna have to get this. Look at that cute little design. It says Little Sister. This is in the size newborn. Now in Next I believe they have newborn, which is I think around £7, but in Asda you have tiny baby, which is about up to £6, and then you have first size, which is up to £9. So I've got 3 different sizes, which is hopefully going to fit into one. So this is a £7 baby. This is tiny baby, which is up to £6. My boys were 7'7" and 7'10", and they still fit into the tiny baby ones. That's got a little Bambi on it. And then this is the matching baby grow, which has little Bambis on it as well and little pink flowers. I love seeing babies in like white. It just is so crisp and just new. And sometimes like all these bright colours can be a little bit harsh on their skin. So along with the Bambi theme, I also got the exact same thing, but in first size. So if for some reason she's a little bit bigger than the boys, I don't think she will be, but I packed it for just in case. And obviously we have like spillages and spit ups and poo explosions and things like that. So I've got a matching vest and baby grow for that. And then just a spare baby grow from Next again, which is a size £7. So altogether I've got 4 baby grows, 2 vests, and I'm hoping that should be enough. It's funny though, I'll probably get to like 39 weeks and then be like, Corrine, what were you thinking? You need to pack more. But as you can see, there's not really a lot of room in there, is there? So I can't pack too much. Now there's a cute little pocket here, which I've put a few like little hats in and things. These are the Bambi ones that matches the baby grows. One is up to £9 and one is up to £6. I've also got some bibs. These are from Tommy Tippy, and they've actually got some cute little butterflies on and like this soft ring around their neck. Honestly, with Harry, we used to get milk everywhere. It was a nightmare. And then alongside the bibs, I've got a little pack here of breast pads. These are my favourite brand. They're by Lancino, and there's just a little sample pack there. Milk normally comes in on day 2, so if I'm there for longer than a couple of days, then obviously I'll get Matt to get me some more. But I'm hoping that should be enough. I've also got a few bits here, like some Lancino cream for sore nipples, but I'm going to leave it at home because I probably won't need it in the hospital because they're so tiny, and I should hopefully be able to get out of hospital by the time nipples get so sore and cracked. Hopefully this baby will have a little bit of a better latch than Charlie, and hopefully I won't get cracked and sore nipples like last time. So I do hope you enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe to me for free. Please let me know in the comments down below if you think I've forgotten anything, and I will see you in my next video. Bye ladies! Honey, I'm a perfect 10.